So how do we enhance decision making? Number one, it's to realize that the brain is the tool that needs to be optimized for decision making. That's the tool. And so being highly intentional, just being very intentional, very conscious when the decision is in front of you is probably key. The second thing that's really important is in decision making, even in this time of rapid decision making, you have to step back from it before you make the decision and just count to 10 to really make sure you feel like it's the right decision, so that you're not doing a lot of mental rework over time. So those are the two most important things to decision making in my mind.